Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking into something, well, pretty fascinating. The idea of IT as an expression of art.
Yeah, it definitely challenges how most of us think about IT services.
Exactly. You probably see the IT services market as, fairly standard, maybe a bit commoditized.
For sure. Price points, SLAs, the usual stuff.
But we found this company, Alqubit, and its founder, Borislava Tatchev. They've got this really different take.
A genuinely revolutionary counter-narrative, you could say.
Right. So our mission today is to figure out how this philosophy actually creates real value. What's the edge for you, the IT decision maker? Okay, let's get into it.
And what's really interesting here is this isn't just some catchy marketing phrase.
It's deeper than that.
Much deeper. It seems to be a core business approach built on, well, authenticity and real discipline. It feels quite unique in the IT world right now.
Okay, authenticity. Let's talk about the founder, Borislava Tatchev. Her personal brand seems absolutely central to Alqubit's strategy.
It really does. It's a core asset.
I mean, 25 plus years of experience is impressive on its own, but starting in nuclear power plant operations.
Yeah, that's not your typical tech founder background, is it?
Not at all. It signals this incredible precision, deep technical skill, maybe even resilience.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And that background provides the, let's say, intellectual foundation for this whole IT as art idea. It adds real credibility to her claims about delivering certainty.
So in a market where tech specs often look the same,
Right, where everything feels interchangeable.
Borislava's identity, her story, becomes this trustful leader element. It gives you a reason to trust them that, a generic corporate logo just can't replicate.
Exactly. And if you connect that to the bigger picture, her authenticity isn't just marketing fluff, it's real thought leadership. For you, that means potentially less risk, a more reliable partnership.
That's a strong point. So how does that personal brand, that authenticity, connect directly to their main idea? IT as an expression of art.
Well, it reframes technology.
How so? It's not just functional.
Right. It's not just utilitarian. They see it as a kind of canvas for artistic expression. They're aiming to build solutions that aren't just efficient, but also aesthetically pleasing, emotionally resonant, and strategically transformative.
Okay, aesthetically pleasing in IT, what does that actually look like? Give us a practical example.
Think about designing, say, an internal system dashboard. Instead of just functional, it could be as intuitive, as visually engaging as maybe your favorite app on your phone.
Ah, I see. So it feels good to use.
Exactly. That kind of approach can dramatically improve how quickly people adopt it, cut down training time, maybe even boost team morale. That's the aesthetically pleasing, emotionally resonant part, having a real operational impact.
That makes a lot of sense. So the art isn't just window dressing. It's about usability, impact, getting the job done better.
Precisely. And it's all structured around 4 core business values.
Which are?
Integrity, value co-creation, realistic, minimalist, efficient, and of course, technology as an expression of art.
Okay, integrity, co-creation. But I'm really interested in that third one. Realistic, minimalist, efficient. That sounds, well, very practical. How does that balance the art idea?
It's absolutely crucial. It's the pragmatic anchor. It tells clients, look, true artistry here means making complex things elegantly simple, elegantly manageable.
So the creativity doesn't introduce chaos or risk.
Not at all. It's channeled into creating efficiency. This is how Alqubit competes on value, not just who's cheapest. They deliver optimized performance, cost effectiveness, through smarter, more elegant design.
Okay, so we have the artistic vision grounded by pragmatic values, but how do they actually do it? How do they execute consistently?
Right, that's where their methodology comes in. It's quite rigorous, apparently, based on 12 principles.
12 principles?
Yeah, organized into 4 main pillars. Things like organize and prepare, research and develop, being and reaching goals.
Being. That sounds interesting.
It likely relates to the state of execution and focus. But the key takeaway is that this framework isn't just a suggestion. It's designed to provide, as they put it, certainty throughout the process, not miracles.
Certainty, not miracles. I like that. It proves the art is backed by, well, a kind of science or engineering discipline.
Exactly. This structured approach gives IT leaders like you real assurance. It means a predictable process, lower risk. That research and develop pillar, for instance, It's not just technical blueprints.
It's deeper.
It implies a really deep dive, almost an artistic level of understanding your specific problem first, which helps avoid expensive mistakes down the line. Those 12 principles are like a public promise of discipline and transparency.
Which directly impacts budgets and timelines, things every IT leader cares about.
Absolutely. Minimizes project risk, helps ensure goals are actually met.
So where does this blend of art and methodology show up in their actual services? They offer a whole suite, right? Boutique IT consultancy.
Yes, covers the key areas. Cloud solutions, next-gen cybersecurity, and more.
And the idea is that this artistic vision touches everything. So cloud isn't just hosting.
It's architected for, say, elegant scalability and cost efficiency. Cybersecurity isn't just tools.
It's designed to be maybe more intuitive, user-friendly, while still being robust.
That seems to be the goal. Reframing these necessary functions from just costs into unique strategic assets that actually add value to your business.
Okay, so let's boil it down. What are the key advantages here for you, the IT decision maker listening right now?
Well, first, Alqubit seems positioned as a strategic partner, not just another vendor dropping off a solution. They emphasize collaboration, that value co-creation point.
Deeper engagement. Makes sense.
Second, they compete on delivering transformative value, not just meeting specs. Third, they offer that assurance of certainty, not miracles, thanks to the methodology. Predictable outcomes.
Less guesswork.
Right. And finally, the art aspect translates into delivering solutions that are genuinely elegant, intuitive, and enhance how people actually work. Better user experience, better productivity.
So, pulling it all together, what does this really mean for your organization? We've unpacked how Alqubit's unique mix, the founder's brand, the core philosophy, the discipline method, creates something pretty different in IT services.
It really does.
It shows IT can be more than just functional plumbing. It can actually be a source of competitive advantage, maybe even inspiration.
Which leads to a really interesting thought for you to consider. What untapped strategic advantages could your business unlock if you started viewing your own IT architecture not just as a collection of tools, but as a potential canvas, a true expression of craft, efficiency, and really insightful design?